Managing a large portfolio of HCL Domino applications can be challenging. Over time, it becomes difficult to know which databases are still in use, who's accessing them, and which ones can be retired, modernized, or archived. Teamstudio Usage provides clear, actionable insights into how your Domino environment is being used. By collecting and analyzing activity across your servers, it helps organizations make informed decisions about application management, consolidation, and modernization. Let's take a brief look at how it works. Teamstudio Usage is a workstation-based tool. No server components are required. Once configured, Usage connects securely to each Domino server, reads catalog and log data, and imports it automatically. Scans can be run manually or scheduled to keep your data up to date without any manual effort. There are two key components within Teamstudio Usage: the Catalog module and the Usage module. The Catalog module serves as your master inventory. It captures information from each server's catalog and address books to create a comprehensive list of all databases, templates, and users. You can browse and group applications by file name, database title, server, or last modified date, helping you to quickly get an understanding of the Notes application and Domino server landscape. Also, you can filter catalog view columns based on various conditions, and they are also fully sortable and searchable, making it easy to find and organize specific databases or users. While filters let you exclude either databases or users from the usage statistics, ensuring your metrics stay relevant and focused. Finally, in addition, for each database, you can view key properties, including aspects like server details, replica ID, replication, visibility, and design properties, as well as the application's HCL details, including whether the database appeared in the most recent scan, giving you immediate visibility into application-specific properties. The Usage module provides the real insight: who is using what and how often. Teamstudio Usage imports detailed activity data from your Domino log files and displays it by database and by user. Here, you can see usage statistics for each database. You can see total access counts, Notes client versus web usage, as well as the number of unique users. Because Usage distinguishes between users, agents, and server-generated activity, the data reflects true human usage, discounting background processes. You can drill down into the database-specific usage details to determine additional agent and server metrics, user-specific activity and type, as well as their last access dates. You can even review individual agent activity and refer to trending graphs that highlight how database activity changes over time, helping you to spot declining usage and identify candidates for retirement, archiving, or migration. You can view these metrics from a user-sourced perspective and quickly examine what applications and servers a user currently uses and to what degree. Here you can see which databases they access most often, the servers they connect to, and their last access date. Once ready, you can export your usage metrics and catalog details for use in reporting tools or other management systems. Simply choose your report source, whether database activity, user metrics, or catalog information. Then define the time period you'd like to analyze, add or organize the data fields you want included, and preview the report layout before finalizing. Lastly, generate your CSV file, and you are ready to share or integrate your results into your broader reporting workflow. Teamstudio Usage gives you a clear picture of your Domino environment. By tracking database and user activity, it quickly highlights what's still in use, and just as importantly, what isn't. To learn more, please visit us at www.teamstudio.com.